So let us continue with the lesson motion. In that, we will now see the in-text questions on page number 109. Today we will see only 2 questions and next we can see the remaining 3, and after that only circular motion will remain. So the first question, in-text question on page number 109. A bus starting from rest moves with a uniform acceleration of 0.1 meters per second square for 2 minutes. Find the speed acquired and the distance traveled. Okay, it starts from rest, so initial velocity is 0. Acceleration A is 0.1 meters per second square. Okay, and it travels for 2 minutes. 2 minutes means 2 into 60 seconds. Find the speed acquired means we have to find the final velocity and we have to calculate the distance traveled, that is S. So let us see the solution. Initial velocity u is equal to 0. Acceleration A is equal to 0.1 meters per second square. Time is equal to 2 minutes. 2 minutes means 2 into 60 seconds. That is 2 into 60 is 120 seconds. Okay, now we need to find the final velocity. Now to calculate the final velocity, we know v is equal to u plus at. This is the first equation of motion. That is velocity time relation. So v is equal to u, initial velocity is 0, plus a is 0.1, time is 120 seconds. So v is equal to 0 plus 0.1 into 120 is 12.0. So 0 plus 12.0, 12.0 means 12. So 0 plus 12 is 12. So the final velocity acquired is 12 meters per second. Now let us calculate the second part, that is the distance traveled. For distance traveled, you can use S is equal to ut plus half at square. U is 0, time is 120, plus half as it is. A is 0.1, time is 120 square. So 0 into 120 is 0, because anything multiplied by 0 is 0, plus half 0.1, 120 square. If you multiply 120 into 120, you get 14400. So 0 plus anything is the same, because half, so this will be half. 0.1 into 14,400 is 1440. Can multiply and check it. So if you cancel this, get 2 sevens are 2 twos are 4 and 0. So the distance traveled is 720 meters. Okay, this is the answer for the first question. Now let us see the second question, that is in-text question on page number 110. I will read the question, second question on page number 110. A train is traveling at a speed of 90 kilometers per hour. Brakes are applied so as to produce a uniform acceleration of minus 0.5 meters per second square. Find how far the train will go before it is brought to rest. So initial velocity is 90 kilometers per hour. So u is equal to 90 kilometers per hour. Let us convert it into meters per second. So 90 into kilometers is 1000 meters per hour. 1 hour is 60 minutes and every minute is again 60 seconds. If you cancel and solve this, you get initial velocity as 25 meters per second. Okay. You get 25 meters per second. Now, acceleration A is given as minus 0.5 meters per second square, not per second, it is per second square. And it is brought to rest. So final velocity V is 0. You know U, you know A, you know V. To calculate the distance traveled, you can use the third equation of motion, that is velocity position relation or position velocity relation, which goes like this. 2as is equal to v square minus u square. 2a is minus 0.5 into s v square. V is 0, final velocity is 0, u is 25, so 25 square. V square, that is 0 square, u square is 25 square. 2 into 0.5 is 1 or 1.0. So because of the minus sign, I will take it as minus 1 into s. 0 square is 0, 25 square is 625. So minus 1 into s is 0 minus 625 is minus 625. So you get s is equal to, both sides minus sign will cancel. So s is 625 meters. This will be the distance traveled by the train before it is brought to rest. Okay, now remaining problems, that is 3rd, 4th, 5th on page number 110, we will see in the next class. Take down these notes in your fair book.